Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use amla powder to increase your hair growth. In this video, we will see how to make amla powder hair pack and what are the benefits of amla powder for our hair. So keep watching this video till the end and make sure you subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos.
To make this hair mask or hair pack, we will need 3 to 4 tablespoons of amla powder, that is Indian gooseberry powder. I am taking 5 tablespoons because my hair is long. You can get this powder easily in any grocery shop. The vitamins, minerals and phytonutrients present in amla helps in increasing circulation in scalp and stimulates hair growth. Vitamin C in amla produces collagen, and collagen replaces the dead cells of hair follicles with new hair cells. Amla can condition, nourish and strengthen your hair and makes them shiny. As we know, amla is rich in vitamin C, so its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can stop dandruff and itchy scalp. Amla powder is mostly used with henna to enhance the hair color. Amla powder can cover your grey hair if used regularly. Amla powder helps in reducing hair fall significantly. After this, we have to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of Rita powder. You can get this powder in any shop. Rita makes your hair shinier and softer. It is antibacterial and antifungal in nature, which keeps your scalp free of dandruff and prevents hair loss. Now, next ingredient we need to add is 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Castor oil has lots and lots of benefits. I have posted one video on castor oil benefits and how to use it. If you want to check out that video, you can find the video link in the description box and at the end of the video. Now we need to add distilled water to make a paste. If you don't have distilled water, then boil the water and let it cool a little bit. And when water is warm, you can add it to this mixture. Now we need to mix this mixture really well without forming any lumps in it. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in it and again mix it well. As you can see, my amla hair pack is completely ready. Let's see how to apply it. Before applying, detangle your hair properly for smooth application. Now, wet your hair with the help of spray bottle. If our hair is wet, this mixture will get applied easily, otherwise it will get dried out on your hair. I will recommend you that you should wear a glove before applying this hair mask, otherwise it will leave black color of amla powder on your hands. Apply this mask on your scalp first and then on your hair strands. This hair mask will improve the scalp circulation and will increase hair growth. Apply this hair mask once in 15 days to stop your hair fall and to make your hair stronger and shinier. After applying it completely, cover it with a shower cap or any polythene bag you get so that this pack would not get completely dried out. Leave it for 30 to 45 minutes and when it is still little bit wet, wash your hair with your regular shampoo.
If you like this video, then don't forget to hit that like button. button for me and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.